I'm rolling that dead out. That dead pack.
On the dead out pack.
I might be rolling.
Stop the cap.
And I was just playing. Man. You feel me?
Foot on the gas pedal, yeah, my car has tune. Fucking on this bitch from the bridge, my gone too. I was getting lazy, tell the hoe I gotta sip my juice. You was running around in circles playing that duck goose. You money.
No, I'm saying it's your boy 420woodzzz. This nigga Tiny in the back. You know where we at. You from the land, you know exactly where we at. Man, I was sitting here, I was like, damn, I didn't even record an intro for my fucking video back on fucking YouTube.
Y'all see the boat in the background.
So here we are. I'm back. And what I've been doing? Living life, nigga.
You know what's going on, my boy Chain. Don't hit the car, nigga. I'll get on my shoe. Alright, bitch, how you?
The fuck? I ain't gonna lie. Nigga, I still get high. I ain't gonna lie. I picked up geek bars.
Stupid
But I ain't gonna lie, now I'm a grown ass man.
About a whole song, dude, don't trust it. Tiny really been on go song.
It just is what it is, man.
With the whole team, it can never be nothing.
Shit.
The bitch went the fact off, she can nothing to me. Enemies watered up, then the ducks and beef. Who was in the field, chapel was country for weeks.
Stupid
We just went to this ride out. They got my mom and Uncle Gavin. Alright, hold on. Niggas outside with it. Niggas outside.
What's up, bro? Cash, bro.
Boom.
SRT. Nice to meet you, bro. Oh, yeah. My name's Tiny. SRT.
E3, bro.
Boom, SRT, excuse me. Oh, yeah, we just riding. We ain't part of no team. We just like, hell yeah. That's a good thing. I'm living out here.
First niggas out here, you know what the deal is. We early as shit, you know. We posted. The Coleman, 212, our shit. Hey, dead homies. We finna fuck up with another one. This motherfucker hard. That line up bored as fuck.
What you doing out here?
What's going on?
You wanna ride with me too?
Y'all want to race?
A race?
How you doing? We're down to Willoward? Let's
Good looking, bro.
like 2 lights that way. Yeah, it's 2 lights.
Yeah. Shout them niggas out, man. They stupid.
Shout out right now.
Yeah, hell yeah. These motherfuckers hard, bro.
You looking ready? Yes, sir.
Mini bike district. You're right.
Stickers,
Get you some stickers, gang. Look at Tiny, that nigga already putting his shit on.
Look, I'm gonna get addicted. He's gonna be.
Hi!
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
See you later! We have to ride out! She gotta go to work! Okay. Oh,
We good now. The kids and moms. Oh, we home. Nothing to worry about. Let's just be safe.
That nigga Tiny say, ha, dead homies. Way back running. We gone in like 5 minutes now. Shit. Niggas hitting the pan. Stay with it steady. You know this is a weed page still. This is still a weed page. But we do all our hobbies on here, nigga. Dead homies. Look at these niggas.
Bikes outside.
Bikes is
Really,
outside. Fuck that. Bikes is on the road, gang. Bikes is on the road. Some niggas pulling
On some fully built shit too. Not no bullshit, not no little stock shit. Put y'all little shit up. Put them little lemons up. We'll ride those. Them shits need to be A1, first pull.
Dead homies. A1 bikes, nigga. Pull up. Right out, nigga. You know where we at? Pendeezy. Damn. Damn.
Guy did it.
Damn. Tiny. E3. Cash. Dead homies.
I've been feeding for a while. Or count the bikes real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want my slick back. Fix my shit.
Oh, yeah. Hey, do a donut. Do a donut. Oh, yeah. I ain't even show y'all niggas. I just got this little pipe yesterday, gang. I was right around with no pipe, gang. My nigga XZ got me right.
I was like, cool, and then at the end of the day, it gave me 12.
Out of here, gang.
I was like, oh, shit. I don't need 12. I only got one fucking bike.
These worth it?
Yeah. The fuel pump? Yeah. I paid more fuel into it. For sure. Obviously, I'm missing the one that, the air one that goes in here.
Bro, my fucking spark plug just died. Dead homies. We back in mission. No, we got a new spark plug. Tony shit still good. Uncle shit still good. Right here. Right here. What it? So, like, I've noticed that I didn't finish the video because my phone died during the ride out. So, this edited me, head ass. over here about to fucking scrounge up the video and shit. But yeah, that's your ass at the ride out. Next time, if y'all want to see us ride doing, because they be doing crazy shit. They be doing donuts, wheelies. You be turned. Let us know. Comment down below if you want more. Peace out, nigga.
Who is Ram?
Alright, look. It was a crazy little nigga. I was on that flow. Sleeping on that flow.